Welcome to DK Waters. My name is Dilip Kumar. In our previous video, we talked about how to choose a water purifier, whether it's a UV water purifier or RO water purifier. Removes all the mineral content. So now what to do? Even our body needs some mineral content in drinking water. That is a very simple step. We can add a TDS controller to any water purifier, RO water purifier. Initially, water, it goes through sediment filter from inlet tap, and in sediment filter it removes sand, mud, dust particles, and after that it will come to carbon filter. In carbon filter it removes smell and color of the water, and in here after carbon filter one inlet we take, actually one inlet goes to RO membrane and another inlet directly we take it, that we will, this is where TDS controller we install. You can see, as you can see here, after this RO membrane water flows in this direction, and here after this carbon, in between carbon and before going to the UV, we fix this TDS controller. TDS means total dissolved solids. This is measured in parts per million. This TDS controller, it's not a rocket science. This is very simple thing. Bypassing or leaving some water without going into the RO, we will bypass it to the UV. That's where mineral content increases. Actually TDS level, it will be increased. I have been telling the customers to drink, maintain TDS in their purified drinking water in the range of around 100 to 200 TDS, but some customers say yes, do whatever you want. Some customers say no, we need absolutely almost demineralized kind of water, so they get very good taste in that. Here taste, actually it is purely, it's about their mindset. Since they have been drinking these very low mineral content water for decades, 8-10 years, 15-20 years, so they are addicted to that taste. If you again readjust drinking, consuming more mineral water for about 1 or 2 years, then you can get very good minerals in the existing filtered water. This is how these minerals actually normal, it is there in all kinds of water, like calcium, magnesium, iron, potassium. These are the major minerals we get. This we get in vegetables as well as through our food also. Regularly we drink water, about let's say almost 2 to 3 liters we drink every day. Because of that, we suggest to have some mineral content in the water. So then after TDS, this water, it will join from both from RO membrane here as well as from carbon. Water joins together in a single pipelet. We connect it to the UV, ultraviolet. Here in this ultraviolet process, it kills bacteria and virus, and finally water comes and stores in this water storage tank. Typically all water RO water filters comes with a storage tank, because the purification speed is about 12 to 15 liters in domestic water filters. The membrane size is about, in domestic water filters we install about 75 GPD membrane. In those membranes we get around 12 to 15 liters RO filtered water. So that's why RO tank is storage tank is necessary here. And this RO membrane pore size is about 0.0001 micron size. Here there will be some other components I did not mention, like SV, FRT, flow, that is flow restrictor tube. There will be SMPS, that adapter we call, and there will be motor also. After carbon, here there will be motor. That motor pressure, actually it will apply the pressure. By thus we get pure water. The rejection or wastewater is about, in any typical RO membrane, around 60 to 65% it goes, it will be rejected, and we get filtered water, RO filtered water, around 30 to 35%. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Dilip Kumar from DK Waters.